Soundproofing is a management process that involves different methods to achieve the desired results. Let's discuss some of the best soundproof doors on the market. Number 1. Best overall. Xzic Solid Core Soundproof Door. Xzic provides acoustical doors of 35 STC rating to 55 STC rating with specialized soundproof doors, acoustic doors, wooden acoustic doors, steel acoustic doors, soundproof studio doors, and recording room acoustic doors. From designing to manufacturing soundproof doors, they are a renowned name in supplying some of the best soundproof doors as per the specification and requirements of their clients. This door is made from wood veneered finish frame material. It's filled with rock wool as an acoustic sound treatment material. It is also fire retardant done through their fire treatment process. Number 2. National Door Company ZZ364466L Soundproof Door. National Door Company molded wood fiber doors are expertly created to be beautiful and durable to any home. Their smooth 2-panel archtop interior door is a wonderful addition to any home at an attractive price. This molded wood fiber solid core door is built as a pre-hung unit that includes a 4 9x16-inch primed jamb, primed colonial stop, satin nickel hinges, and is prepped for 2 1x8-inch facebore. Each primed white interior door is ready to be finished. The product is customizable according to size, color, or finish. Number 3. Studio 3D Soundproof Door. Their recording studio doors have an STC value of up to 56. The Studio 3D soundproof doors are ideal for recording studios, offices, band rooms, hotels, dorm rooms, conference rooms, or any applications where soundproof interior door is required. It is made to provide a superior appearance combined with a good or excellent sound insulation in a wide range of applications. The soundproofing doors come standard in oak, ready to stain with silver hardware. Custom finishes and hardware options are available for this door sound insulation product.
Thanks for watching the video.